For inside this gangamicious episode of Showbiz Weekly, we go carry una enter the health waka and the celebrity match with plenty of with Naija celebrities being waka against kidney disease. We go carry you enter inside the trip of the premiere of the movie in the music we happen for inside the Genesis Deluxe cinemas, and we go tour enter performance with the Naija playlist jam sessions do for inside the place for Lekki. We go bring you plenty hot gossip and plenty interviews and plenty more. Focus. This na Showbiz Weekly. Yes, what's up? How far? Kilo Shele, what a guana. Yes, so this is Showbiz Weekly. We don't come back again. You better packed bumper to bumper. Yes, this is Showbiz Weekly. I be your girl Chica, and you know how we do every weekend. We dey bring you all the juiciest moments, all the ogbonge happenings, all the corrector events that will happen. We dey bring them to you, and we dey bring you closer to all your favorite celebrities. Yes, this week we just passed so plenty interesting events may happen. You need to chook your eye and ear, make you for enjoy. Color be beautiful moments. All right, first things will be happen this week. Now the celebrities walk against kidney. Yes, we know say kidney now something where they very important part for body, and if anything affects kidney, now almost life and death situation now you be. Yes, so plenty celebrities for inside Nigeria been come outside to join their hands and walk against kidney diseases. Yes, now Ima Ugoli and the Juliet Ibrahim Foundation now arrange this one, and plenty celebrities come out. AY said for there, yeah. Julius Agu was there. Sam Sultan come out. Desmond Elliott to come out. Mona Lisa Chinda come out. Plenty, even our very own Ogayo being show face on top of the matter, because now for our very own Domot for Cool FM outside. Now then start the waka all the way around the streets of VI. Enjoy this clip. We dey come back.
Speaking personally, I always thought that if there's any ailment I don't want, is the kidney thing, because if you think about dialysis, how expensive it is, if you think about the pain, if you think about the torture that these people go through, and guess what, it could be any of us as well. So it is an appeal to Nigerians, get yourself checked. It's very important.
People need to know say now silent disease. If you die, you no go know self. Yeah, so we need to tell the people, because we don't have a lot of awareness here. So we need to tell our people we know we don't know what's in they happen, because if you die, you don't know what's happen.
To create awareness for those when say our kidney is supposed to protect us, supposed to check up. So now because they do this waka, so that they create the awareness, say we get kidney, and that kidney we need to protect her.
We're there to celebrate our brother, the way we don't, I would say, don't escape kidney problem, And we just there. Everybody will wear this T-shirt. They say make government understand. Say this thing they kill people for here, because they see people every day they die. They die here and there. We say what you do, and they say na malaria. What you do, I'm not typhoid. Oh, na lie, na kidney problem.
Man, I very strong movements they do today, and we go like me more of this kind of thing they happen, because many things what I learned today, and honestly, if you follow the cause kidney, before I always believe say once I hear kidney, na alcohol the cause. But today I can't even hear say if you even get high blood pressure frequently, your blood pressure the high, if it be signs of kidney, that kind of thing. I don't even know say if you truly take salts, many things what I learned today, what I don't even know say, man, if it be part of the causes of kidney.
Aha. Feel it. Don't touch it. If you touch it, you day on a very long thing. Yes, this is not Showbiz Weekly, in case you just join in. Now, you know, say from time to time, they like to bring you small, juicy, amebo, serere, gossip. Yes, so we dey here say show people don't they talk. Say it be like say popular Nigerian actress Stella Damaso so, and a boyfriend with them they do Korokere Waka, but it be like say that they don't do official now. Daniel Ademinoko, yes, they don't buy a house for inside New York because remember say they relocate go United States. She been post one picture on top Instagram, beautiful house. She can't talk say count your blessings and see what the Lord has done. Count your blessings, then they will buy one. It will surprise you what the Lord has done. Hallelujah. Yes, so she dey sing hallelujah things. And she posted a picture of the beautiful house where they don't just buy recently. And she can't say yes. So she know say they no day where they feel say they go day, but they are moving gradually. After she posts this one, her very own Bobo Daniel, he can't say if he posting own, can't say can't write home. This is home. He can't put lips sealed. Yes, we know say they are two, they do serene things and then be lovebirds. But who he consign? If they like, then do a public. If they like it, then do a private. How you take affect you and pro people. All right, yes. So the next event where they up for now concern the movie premiere of In the Music. Yes, this one being happen for Inside the Palms, the Genesis Deluxe Cinemas, and beautiful stars being star for inside this movie premiere. Maomi Dedie, our very own Maomi Megbele, and even Brian Okwara. Beautiful, fantastic movie. Hopefully we'll go fit to bring you clips. But in the meantime, enjoy the red carpet moments.
My name is Wazobia. I be the director of In the Music.
I just helped them sweep ground. If you see me for the post, I'm not so hard for the film. Take your time, oh. I think they will be fun, oh.
I'm be the creative director for this movie, oh.
So I know the guy finished work for the film. The director and my friend, he finished work for the film.
It's a music dance drama, so they need to say it's different.
It'll be fun. It'll be a good movie.
The music now, one of our companies where they do am. I make they related to it.
I don't they try work for Nigeria. I don't get some people now, they don't act. And this is not my first work for Nigeria, so it makes sense. All the people will help make them come together. I thank them.
I think that they call me executive producer. Yes, now when they call me, yes. I don't know what's in that one.
I be one sister like that for inside the film. Why you want you when you reach there you go see her?
Music, and dance. Now you can make them, make them for life.
I'm Ihoma Ogu. We're just two girls in my family. My sister Nena and I.
The budget, it had small, but it's supposed to be grand, it's supposed to be beautiful colors, and I don't know, I hope I like them.
Now me act the film.
That we thank God, say, it all come out good. You need to come and watch it. Make una come watch this a woof movie, now In the Music in the color.
The project sweet on our music. So this is the first project for my life where I don't sing for Nollywood.
I'm the producer of In the Music.
Why to go make you answer that kind of question now?
Come and watch In the Music. You not go regret it. Never. Grab your copy now. Nigeria needs this kind of content for TV and for film and all that because plenty people there will get dream, will get talent.
Hello. I have passion for music. I love it. It's like an adventure for me. I can't do it. Sorry.
big ups to my girl Mommy. You can never do wrong in my eyes. And congrats to you. We dey expectantly wait when you go drop your load because we want to come and shop rice and candle board and carry your bundle of joy. Congrats to your mommy in advance. All right, the final event we get for you this beautiful weekend. Consign the Niger music playlist. You say from time to time every month. Then they showcase uprising stars where they tear for inside the world of music. Yes, this very time now YBNL where Olamide to chon when they run things on top YBNL. Yes, now in very own upcoming music arts, Lil Kesh now show on top the matter. Him been do plenty performances. Serere the crowd, everybody just they joke. They come all they ready, ready. Yeah, so Simi been show on top the matter, our very own Simi, and even plenty music artists been shown on top. Even Adekunle Gold, Mama you know I love you. Forgive my Yoruba, but he said been shown on top the matter because all of them conscious solidarity things for their fellow music artists. Not too much talk. You need to enjoy this one.
Okay, I just want you to know that we have some mad people, good man, that are actually going to be blessing us tonight.
Please, they're always the killer.
I come here, come perform, Niger playlist jam session. Yeah, beautiful place. Now they go now. Now where will they come? Showcase our talents, showcase what we get to offer as a music.
So far so good. All the whole performance makes sense. Man, we have a whole lot of talented people in Niger.
I don't know what I don't hear that music session, what they call jam section. My guy, I call them SHOWBIZ Cafe.
Today, I did with some artists, upcoming artists. They just come up today. We did here, they ginger everybody's swagger for here today.
I don't know. We just day for here tonight, and we just want to get some kind things down tonight, and that's what's up.
The performance is what I don't see so far now. You know, upcoming artists way, you know, they new, and so far it's amazing. And this platform way, you know, Niger playlist they give for artists so that people can come around and hear it in way everybody they work on is great for people, especially those that are still coming up, you know, like us.
I just perform now and happy say people feel Niger playlist. It makes sense. Upcoming artists, may they try find their way come perform here because it's a good platform. People will notice you. You never know who go like your sound and who go hook up with somebody.
And if you're not here and you know say you did talented, this is now a very good platform for you to just take advantage of.
Yeah, for this place now here we all they fly. We fly come meet us, we perch here. You know, that time people they sleep now here we perch musicians.
Trust me, and the program where they up, man, you guys they miss out.
So we're going to take match break on top. The matter of SHOWBIZ Weekly. I decided to leave, but I got to run. You know why I go run? Because I need to enter town. Ma, took I. inside all the places where they hot. Might bring you juicy moments on Top Showbiz next week. If you want the best of entertainment, you want the best of all the happening concomic events where they happen inside town, you know where to shook your eye. Showbiz Weekly is the truth. And we'll go join you same time next week. My name is Chika. I'm out of here.